In this video, we're going to analyze Noctis' quote from Final Fantasy XV. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
ここまでになるか。
ああ、そうなる。頼むぜ。
頑張って。
プロンプト、グラディオ、イグニス、あとは頼んだ。常に胸を張って生きろ。
どうかご無事で。陛下。
So today's quote is 常に胸を張って生きろ。常に means always. You can also say いつも instead, but 常に sounds a bit more formal. For example, 常に or いつも携帯を持ち歩いている meaning I always carry my mobile phone with me. あの女の子は常に or いつも明るい meaning that girl is always cheerful. So in many cases, 常に and いつも are interchangeable, but there are times when you can only use いつも. It is when talking about a habit that takes place on a regular basis in a certain condition. For example, 朝起きたらいつもコーヒーを一杯飲む meaning I always drink a cup of coffee after getting up in the morning. クリスマスはいつも家族と過ごす meaning I always spend time with my family on Christmas. 胸を張って means proudly or confidently. 胸を張る is a verb literally meaning to push your chest out, which makes you look confident. And this te form of the verb means in a certain state. For example, 立って映画を見た meaning I watched the movie standing. いつも寝転がって漫画を読む meaning I always read manga lying down. 生きろ is the imperative form of 生きる meaning to live. This form is used to give an order or command to people in a lower status or equal in male speech. So, 常に胸を張って生きろ means always live proudly or always walk tall. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.